Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Vlogmas 2. You know what it is. You know what it is. It's Vlogmas 2. Alright guys, so today is Sunday.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord.
Today I plan to start my week off by cooking, cleaning. I have a huge laundry to do. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you guys along with me as usual. Right now I'm cooking this goat meat and turkey, which I'm going to use to make my stew pretty soon. And I plan to eat the stew with rice and beans and plantain. Here we have the beans boiling up in the pressure pot. It's pretty done. I need to just take it out and cook the rice too. Hey Raz got nothing on me. Hey Raz got nothing on me. Hey Raz got nothing on me. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, this is Tinola, and on this platform I share content on hair, beauty and healthy lifestyle. Today you're watching Vlogmas 2. Feel free to subscribe to my channel down below. Hit the notification bell beside it. That way you get more content from me every single time I release a video. So we have our plantain frying and we have our meat here for the stew. This is turkey and goat meat. I have this meat stock that I'm going to use to prepare jollof rice or any soup, you know, when you add stock meat to your soup. So I'm going to save this in the fridge or the freezer, and I'm going to use it when next I'm cooking jollof rice or soup, which is going to be pretty soon. I'm also going to use part of it for this stew. It's not compulsory, but I just wanted to have that taste. Alright guys, our rice is done and I'll be moving it into this bowl where I have the beans and mix them together because I like to mix my rice and beans together. Beans is ready. I'm just gonna cover this and wait for the stew to be done. Alright, so here's the stew. I'm still cooking it. I'm trying to get rid of the water. Once the water is gone, I will add some oil to fry the stew and add the meat and add the meat stock. Progress. So in the meantime, while I wait for the stew to be done, I will go ahead and start cleaning, and after cleaning I'll do my laundry. See ya. So food is ready, and I have here dodo, that's fried plantain, stew, and rice and beans. This is my favorite food in the world. Yes, rice and beans is my favorite food. So yeah, I'm just taking it with a glass of pure tap water. In the meantime, while I eat, I'm going to watch El Chapo. That's what I'm currently watching on Netflix. So I'm going to watch like 1 episode to 2 episodes while I eat and my food digests, and then I'm going to continue cleaning. I'm not done cleaning yet, but I'm hungry. I'm going to continue cleaning afterwards, and later on in the evening around, let's say 7 o'clock, I'll make dinner. I'll make amala and begiri with ewedu. So I'm going to use the same stew to make the begiri. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. This is the current episode that I'm on. Which episode is it again? So I'm on episode 7. If you guys haven't seen El Chapo, please watch it. Oh my god, this movie has gotten me like crazy. I've literally been taken away. I pay full attention when I'm watching it, and I can't simply believe that this is actually a true life story. I can't simply believe that this was actually events that occurred in Mexico in those times. But yeah, I recommend this movie. You guys should check it out. Very captivating, it's interesting, it's a good movie basically. By the way, let me just take a minute to comment on the taste. This actually tastes so good. I really love how the stew turned out. The plantain, a bit soft, too soft for my liking, because it was ripe plantain and I was frying it on low heat at first. So I think it soaked in the oil a bit. Alright guys, so it's time for laundry, and I have about 3 sets of clothes to wash. This set will be the first, and it's mostly my rough like towels for the floor, the rugs for the floor, kitchen towels, and 2 of my shoes that I need to wash. And this set is for colored clothes. I need to wash this one afterwards, and then I'll be washing just white clothes afterwards. Once I'm done with my laundry, I'm going to rest, and then later on in the evening I'll be doing my dinner, which is amala, begiri, and ewedu. It's going to take me 30 minutes to make that, and I'm going to show you guys the recipe that I use. I'm probably going to link it down below for you guys to check out the recipe, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm able to make amala and begiri within 30 minutes. It's really easy, guys, and it's so quick. Right now I am exhausted. I've done a lot of cleaning and laundry today. I didn't video some of it for you guys to see because it's not that easy videoing all those activities, and I also don't want you guys to get bored watching me doing that. If you've come this far in the video, thank you so much. Thank you so much for making it thus far in Vlogmas 2, and I hope you guys come back in Vlogmas 3. If you guys enjoyed watching this video so far, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think about this video. If you have any questions for me, feel free to ask, and share this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get more videos from me every single time I release a new video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for coming with me on this Vlogmas so far. I hope to see you on my next one. Don't forget to check out my other videos. Bye, guys.